In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in a Canva website. By the end, you'll have a playable YouTube clip sitting neatly on your Canva site, ready for visitors to watch without leaving your page. Before we begin, make sure you have two things ready: the YouTube video link you want to embed, and your Canva website editor open with the site page you want to edit. If you haven't already, open your website design in Canva so you're looking at the exact page where the video should appear. On the left-hand side of the Canva editor, find the Apps option. It sits in the sidebar alongside elements like text and photos. Click Apps to open Canva's library of tools and integrations. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the sidebar. Sometimes it's a little lower on the list, depending on your screen size. With the Apps panel open, use the search box at the top and type the word Embed. You're looking for Canva's built-in Embed tool, which lets you place content from the web directly into your design. When you see Embed in the results, click it to open the Embed window. You'll notice a field labeled Paste Web Link here. Go to your YouTube tab, copy the video's URL, and paste it into that field. Both the standard youtube.com link and the shortened u2.be link work. For the best results, make sure the video is public or unlisted. Private videos won't display to your visitors. If your link has extra characters from a timestamp, that's usually fine, but you can remove them if you want the video to start from the beginning. Next, click Add to Design. Canva will fetch the video and drop it onto your page. You'll see a preview appear in your layout. This is the embedded player, not just a static image. Give it a moment if your connection is slow. A short load time is normal. Now adjust the video so it looks great with your design. Click the video to select it, then drag the corners to resize while keeping the proportions intact. Use the on-screen guides to align it with your headings, text, or images, and position it where you want it to live on the page. A centered placement, above or below a short introduction, often works well and keeps the layout clean. When you're happy with everything, click Publish Website. This pushes your changes live so your audience can watch the YouTube video directly on your Canva site. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective.